In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change miles to kilometers or kilometers to miles on the Apple Watch. I'm using the Series 10 to demonstrate, but the process is same for all Apple Watches. It's very simple and very quick. Open the app drawer and go to Watch Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Workouts. Here, you'll see a bunch of different options. Again, scroll down until you see Units of Measure. Open it and you'll find different types of units for different activities. You can even change the energy unit from here. But we don't want to do that, so we'll again scroll down to the activities like cycling or walking and running or automatic track detection. And from here, we just have to select the kilometer option for the relevant activity types. And now, whenever you're performing any activity with distance, you'll see kilometers in place of the miles. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.